thought I would maybe vlog today and kind of show you guys what I've been up to. I've been doing daily Instagram stories, but it's not quite the same as like, you know, YouTube vlogging where you're like, hey, look at me, I'm doing a thing. Anyway, this is what I'm up to today. Thought I would show you guys my little walk. It took us about an hour and a half to get up here from the town down there. It's called Bethesda. If anyone's interested, try this hike. You just follow the wall all the way up. I'm gonna keep on going. And yeah, when we get up here, we should have a panoramic view of all the mountains. Thought it'd be nice to show you guys. If the audio sucks, that's because I was lazy and I didn't want to carry my good camera and microphone up here. Instead, I brought a GoPro with no wind muff. You're welcome. Alright, we got some rocky terrain coming up. I thought I'd do like a POV so you guys can see like how I kind of get around this thing. Navigate. Jas is gonna be with me. Don't go to the edge, bro. Come over the rocks. Let's do this. It's like walking on an unmade jigsaw puzzle. Any piece can fall and the whole thing can slip. Luckily, most of it's secure and we're back to grass. Oh, come on, you went the easy way. Bro, it wasn't even that far. You lazy. We can't be out here too long because he's a dog. He's wearing a fur coat. He needs water all the time. We found a river about 45 minutes ago. He hasn't had anything since, so we're looking for some water up here. And maybe just the top, you know, we haven't seen the top. I haven't vlogged in such a long time, I don't know how I'm far. I wonder how many meteors hit mountains. Because like mountains are like the biggest surface area thing. If a meteor shower's coming down, it would hit a mountain, right? So if you hike, do you think there's like a bunch of meteors stuck to mountains? I don't know what I'm saying. I need water too, we're running out of water. I was lazy today. Lazy and impulsive. I wasn't going to walk this far up a mountain. We were walking in the woods and then it turned to mountain. And then when I see something in the distance, I want to go for it. So I'm doing that. I now see a really pointy point. And I'm not sure if that's Snowdon or not. Dude, this is the spot. Let's go. There's a lake over there in the distance. Me and my friend Duncan swam in that last time we went up there. So that means either that or that is snow. We're completely fine. Having a great day today. No like thorns today, nothing. We're good. We're full hobbit at this point. I've been doing this barefooting thing for like 5 years now. Yeah. And I feel like a hobbit finally. I'm a big fan of hobbits. I will like the lifestyle, try to adopt it for myself. The craziest thing is, I can still see my house from up here. I live in such a weird place. Oh yeah, when COVID's over, I want to get a group together to do that. So anyone wants to do it, leave your Instagram in the comments. Kind of laying here. Wow, I haven't said anything in a while. It's really nice. The sun's come out. We're almost at the top of the cloud. It's nice today. It's rained one time in 6 weeks. I don't understand. It's wonderful though. I'm very appreciative of good weather. What if it just car fumes were the reason it was so cloudy all the time? What if it was cars? We were always worried about the planes. What if it was just cars? Maybe farts are down, so people aren't making fart clouds. Alright. What am I doing up here? I don't know. I want to sleep here. I just don't trust my dog to sleep up here with me. He'll probably run around in the night. Those. I've hiked every trail along there, all along there. I've done that whole side. Maybe not the ones in the distance though, I don't recognize those ones. They all look massive. Like, hopefully the GoPro's good. I used to vlog on a GoPro all the time, and the footage was great, so hopefully you guys are enjoying this 4K footage of my landscape, my back garden. I'm Jason. Hello. Haven't vlogged in a bit. It's weird looking at this little eye. Hello? Do you like my sweaty nose?